Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the air filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. Take off the engine cover. You must now move the brake fluid reservoir. To do this, unscrew the two screws using a Torx T20 socket. Lift the airbox cover retaining latch. Using a socket wrench and a T25 Torx socket, completely unscrew the three screws from the air filter flange. Don't try to take them out. They stay in their housing even if they're not fixed in. Lift off the flange. To take it off, incline it slightly and pull towards you. Take out the old air filter. Before putting in the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Compare the new filter with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Take the new filter. Put the filter back in place. Ensure that the rubber washer is placed into the right place. This will help you put the flange back on more easily. To put the flange in, incline it so that the interlocking studs go in first. Then push it in so that it presses against the filter compartment. Tighten up the screws. Lock the cover with a latch. Screw the brake fluid reservoir back in. Reinstall the engine cover. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.